In this short recording, I'll be talking to you about the STARR technique, which is a brilliant way of keeping on track when you need to answer questions in a job application form or in an interview. STARR is an acronym that stands for Situation, Task, Action, Result, and Reflection. As an example of how to use the STARR technique, the person specification for your job might say that you need to have a commitment to delivering a high level of customer service. Using STARR to demonstrate this, you could think of a situation where you used customer service skills, identify the task or challenge you had to tackle, detail the action you took, and be specific here. Use action verbs. These are verbs that show the range of specific steps you took to achieve your goal. Then you explain the outcome or the result, and for that extra R, reflection. Say what you learned or anything you would do differently if dealing with this situation again. My top tip: applicants sometimes make the mistake of focusing on the situation, but the bulk of your answer should actually focus on the action you took. This is your chance to showcase the skills that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. The STARR technique is super helpful when you're writing the personal statement on an application form. Here's how to use it. Carefully read the job description and especially the person specification to identify the skills needed for the position. Make sure you address each of the criteria on the person specification and think about how you would provide evidence of the skill or experience it asks for. Decide on specific examples that demonstrate how you applied the required skills or gained the experience using real-life scenarios. And remember, your examples could be from your work, volunteering, your course, or your personal life. Craft your answer to include the situation, task, action, and result, and anything you learned through reflecting.